Governance describe the role of persons or a role of an organization which responsibility for overseeing the strategic direction of the entity and obligation related to accountability of the entity. So before seeing this, we want to see what are the governance we need to see. The governance is those who charge with governance that we can see. Responsibility of the auditor to report to those who charge with governance. That word you have seen in accounting standards. This auditing standards. This governance is person who is responsible for maintaining everything. They are the persons who direct the company into their vision and mission. And they are the persons who are the person who need to prevent fraud from happening, to have the internal control properly maintained. So these are the persons who are very much responsible for the company's activity.